Now that we understand that the Salah session is primarily comprised of reciting the Quranic revelations, because it's through the Quranic revelations we remember and glorify God and learn from the Quran and have an opportunity to adhere to His laws, let's talk about the timings for these Salah sessions. What we are looking for is the command to uphold the Salah at specific times of the day. And there are ultimately two verses in the Quran that talk about this. The first verse is 11:114. It reads, "Uphold the Salah at two ends of the day and the nearing parts from the night. The good deeds take away the bad, that it is a reminder for those who remember." Note the phrase, two ends of the day and the nearing parts from the night. These are the time frames of when to uphold the Salah sessions. Now, initially, a lot of people will think that this is referring to 3 sessions because it says two ends of the day and the nearing parts from the night. However, the first phrase says two ends of the day, طرفي النهار. An end of a day is only a point in time and not a time frame. So this phrase alone does not really give us a time frame. It's just telling us it's at the end of a day. Rather, it's the next phrase that further elaborates what these two ends of the day are. It says, and the nearing parts from the night, وَزُلَفًا مِنَ اللَّيْلِ. So to get a visual perspective on this, each end of the day is obviously when the sun is touching the horizon, and the nearing parts from the night are the time frames of each end of these days. The nearing parts from the night of each end, respectively, is the dawn and the evening. Okay, so this ultimately is referring to 2 Salah sessions a day. And note how this verse, again, I invite everybody to read this verse in its context. We will see it revolves all around the idea of departing the Quranic revelations to the people. And this is why the verse itself says this as a reminder for those who remember. Now, so this verse is referring to 2 Salah sessions a day. This is further confirmed in another verse, Surah 17, verse 78, where it says, "Uphold the Salah at the declining of the sun to the darkness of the night, and the Quran at dawn." The Quran at dawn is witness. And note how it's talking about the Quran here. The phrase, declining of the sun to the darkness of the night and the Quran at dawn, also refers to the 2 Salah sessions that are spoken of in 11:114. The declining of the sun is obviously when the sun starts touching the horizon in the afternoon, or as it's during sunset, to the darkness of the night until it becomes completely dark outside. This is the evening Salah session, and the Quran at dawn, which is obviously during the dawn time. So again, 1778 and 11:114 both confirm to each other that there are 2 Salah sessions a day. And I would say that it's a minimum of 2 Salah sessions a day, because ultimately God is not confined to only a certain number of Salah sessions. He's given us a minimum. If we wish to uphold more, then we can do so. And we certainly see some of those in the Quran, like the congregational Salah, as well as some Salah sessions that the Prophet himself upheld at night. To further confirm that the Quran prescribes a minimum of 2 Salah sessions, the names of these Salah sessions are mentioned in Surah 24, verse 58. Salatul Fajr and Salatul Isha, the dawn and the evening Salah sessions. So again, the Quran is prescribing a minimum of 2 Salah sessions a day.